Okay, YouTube, I've been having trouble trying to download songs from SoundCloud. I don't know why it won't let me download, but if you go to this, download now, it opens up a new page that says download now, and you can't download it anywhere. I found a website that you need to right click up here, copy the URL, and it's called SoundCloud to mp3.app. And what you do is you paste the download into there and then press download. You want to get to this page and go to this, which opens up a new page, and you want to save the file to your computer and press OK, and there you got your song. Any other one, I don't know, but this is the only one I found out that works. I tried all day trying to download the song, and I haven't found anything until now. Anyways, thank you. Have a good day. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell, because we're always putting up new videos.